Welcome to the future, your brain on crypto. Alright folks, imagine this, you're walking down the street thinking about buying a new Jujitsu Jai. Boom, with just a thought you've purchased it using cryptocurrency. No phone, no wallet, just your brain. Sounds crazy, right? But with advancements in neural networks and brain-computer interfaces, this futuristic scenario could be our reality sooner than we think. We're talking about brain interface wallets, people. This technology is about connecting our minds directly to the blockchain, allowing us to manage our cryptocurrency with the power of thought. It's like something straight out of The Matrix, but instead of dodging bullets, we're making it rain Bitcoin. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of brain interface wallets. We'll break down the tech, explore the potential benefits and challenges, and discuss what the future holds for this mind-blowing innovation. Let's do this. Neural networks. It's like your brain, but on a computer. Before we get into brain interface wallets, we need to talk about neural networks. These are computer systems designed to mimic the human brain. Think of them like digital versions of your gray matter. They learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions. Just like you learn to ride a bike, neural networks can learn to recognize your thoughts and translate them into actions. Crazy, right? In the context of brain interface wallets, neural networks are the key to unlocking the potential of our minds. They act as the bridge between our thoughts and the blockchain, allowing us to interact with our digital assets in a whole new way. So, next time you hear someone talking about AI or machine learning, think about neural networks. They're the engine driving this technological revolution, and they're about to change the way we interact with our finances forever. Brain-computer interfaces jacking in. Now let's talk about brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. This is where things get really wild. Imagine a device that can read your brainwaves and translate them into digital signals. That's a BCI. Think of it like this. Your brain is constantly buzzing with electrical activity. BCIs can pick up on these signals and interpret them, allowing us to control external devices with our minds. We're already seeing early versions of this technology today. People with disabilities are using BCIs to control prosthetic limbs and communicate with loved ones. But the potential of BCIs goes far beyond that. Imagine controlling your computer, your phone, or even your car with your thoughts. That's the promise of BCIs, and it's a future that's closer than you might think. Section 4, putting it together. Your thoughts, your crypto. Alright, now for the main event, brain interface wallets. Remember how we talked about neural networks and BCIs? Well, brain interface wallets combine these two technologies to create a secure and seamless way to manage your cryptocurrency using just your mind. Here's how it works. A BCI reads your brainwaves and a neural network interprets them, identifying the specific thoughts related to your crypto transactions. Want to check your balance? Think it. Want to send some Bitcoin to a friend? Think it. This technology eliminates the need for physical wallets, passwords, or even devices. Your thoughts become your keys, unlocking a whole new level of convenience and security in the world of cryptocurrency. It's like having a crypto vault inside your head, accessible only by you. Pretty wild, right? Section 5. The good, the bad, and the ugly benefits and challenges. Now before we get too carried away with this brain-computer crypto future, we need to talk about the potential benefits and challenges. On the plus side, brain interface wallets could revolutionize how we interact with our finances. Imagine the convenience of managing your crypto with just your thoughts. No more fumbling with your phone or forgetting your password. Plus, think about the security implications. With your thoughts as the key, brain interface wallets could be virtually hack-proof. No more worrying about stolen devices or phishing scams. Pretty great, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some serious challenges to overcome before brain interface wallets become mainstream. For starters, there are privacy concerns. Do we really want companies reading our brainwaves and accessing our financial information? That's a big question we need to answer. Then there are the technical hurdles. Reading and interpreting brainwaves is incredibly complex, and we're still in the early stages of this technology. And let's not forget about accessibility. Brain-computer interfaces are expensive, and it's unclear how accessible this technology will be to the average person. Section 6. Real talk, security, and you. Let's get real for a second. Security is paramount when it comes to our money. With brain interface wallets, the stakes are even higher. We're talking about accessing our funds with our thoughts. That's some next-level vulnerability if it falls into the wrong hands. Imagine someone hacking into your Brain wallet. They could drain your accounts just by thinking about it. Not cool, right? That's why researchers are developing robust security measures to protect our precious brain data. Think multi-factor authentication, but instead of a text message, it's your brain confirming the transaction with a specific thought pattern. Or maybe even biometric authentication, like scanning your unique brainwave signature. The future of brain security is wide open. We need to be cautious, folks. As we embrace this technology, we need to demand the highest level of security. Our financial well-being, and maybe even our minds, depend on it. Section 7. The future is now brain wallets by 2025. So, will we all be rocking brain interface wallets by 2025? It's tough to say for sure. The technology is rapidly evolving, but there are still many hurdles to overcome. However, the pieces are falling into place. Neural networks are becoming more sophisticated, and brain-computer interfaces are becoming more affordable and accessible. Imagine a world where we can seamlessly interact with the digital world using only our minds. We could control our devices, access information, and even manage our finances with unparalleled ease and security. The future of brain interface technology is full of possibilities. It's up to us to ensure that this technology is developed responsibly and ethically. Because if we get it right, brain interface wallets could be a game changer, ushering in a new era of financial freedom and security. Let's keep our minds open, folks. The future is closer than we think.